Good morning. Today I'm going to be making some pork carnitas or pulled pork, however you want to.
More of a Mexican flavor though.
Yes. I have about 6 pounds of pork butt cut up into 2 to 3 inch pieces. I have 2 tablespoons of dried minced onion. It's a mixture of yellow and red. You can use fresh or whatever you like. Cumin, pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever kind of salt you like. Mexican oregano. If you don't have Mexican oregano, you can use regular oregano. I have minced onion and black pepper.
That's not garlic.
You're right, that's garlic.
Minced garlic.
Duh.
You already have onion over here.
And this here I have New Mexico chilies. These are dried, Ancho Chilies. And these are from what we process. This is green hatch chilies that have been dried and ready
Which are kind of the same as the New Mexico. But
these are green.
Yeah, those were done green instead of red.
Right. We're going to have ham stock. You can use chicken stock.
Or orange juice.
Or orange juice. You'll need some chicken stock or some kind of stock. Just use whatever you have with the orange juice. And I'm also going to be putting in some lime juice. Okay, we're going to start by, I have olive oil in my pressure cooker heating up. And we're just going to put these in there and start browning them. We will brown these and we will set them aside, and we will continue until it's all brown.
And we'll be back.
And then we'll be right back. Thank you. Here's the pork. I'll cut up in chunks. And in here I'm browning it. Yeah, I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using olive oil. And here we've got them browning. And I'm not browning them real, but just a little bit so that they're... Okay, we'll be back when it's all finished. Okay, we're just about finished browning it all.
Yeah, it's dripping everywhere.
It's dripping in the pot at least.
Yeah. I was making sure that you did. You're not going to brown the bone, right? Because that's kind of
I'm not going to
impossible.
I'm going
to
put that in there. Now, real quick, I'm going to throw these chilies in and heat them up, and I'll take them out too.
Because it releases the flavor.
I'm putting them in whole.
Stem and all, huh?
Stem and all. Just warming them up, getting the...
It releases the natural oils and improves the flavor.
A little bit of the fat I took out back in. And start smelling them.
Yeah.
I'll put them back in here.
Okay.
Get the seed out. I don't have to have those.
Nope. This little step here, though, makes a major flavor difference by just releasing all the flavors. And you'll see in most Mexican cooking that the peppers at some point, these dried peppers are reconstituted and heated up, and all of that is just to release the flavors, the oils.
Release the flavors and the oils and just...
And who likes dry, powdery peppers anyhow?
And you'll start smelling them.
Oh yeah, look at it.
It's cooling down. It's on medium.
Yeah, it's kind of odd. It's just like it heats up and it cools down. Heats up, cool down. Yeah. And there's no... The thermostat has too wide a variance as to what temperature to hold it at.
Anyways, those are warmed up. I'm gonna...
Also flavors your oil down in there.
Yes, it does. You see the chilies. the green chilies, how they changed color.
Yeah.
Where they were darker and
They look just like the New Mexican. Now you can tell that they're different.
Take these out. And I'm going to put some of my ham broth in here too. Can you see inside of there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to deglaze all of that. There, and I'm only going to put about
It's
maybe
hot enough.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
About a cup maybe.
Yeah, you can
I'm going
do
to
it.
change. I'll grab a.
Now this is a stainless pot, so we can use metal utensils in here. If you have a Teflon, then you'll have to use rubber, plastic, whatever it is they use with that.
Yeah, so I got mine.
Wood.
To get all that stuff up off the bottom. You want all that, that's got good flavor in it. Add a little bit more. Yeah, it's starting to come up. Okay, I've got all of that pretty much off the bottom. Now I'm going to add the bone to this because, hey, there's flavor in that bone. And then we're going to put in the pork. You want any juices that came out of it, you put it all in there. The meat, the juices, everything. There you go. Okay. That part's done. So, we're going to add the garlic and the pepper. No. Put that all in there. And we got all of our spices. If you don't have the dried chilies, you can use chili powder or
Chili flakes.
chili flake, red pepper flakes. Okay, I'm gonna put those in. Yeah. Okay, we've got all that in there.
So if you don't, if the
Right.
liquid doesn't fill it up, it's not
Peppers in there. We're gonna add our stock. Okay, and then we're gonna add some lime juice. Gonna stir that down in.
Those chilies down in there. Maybe you should have broken them up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, they'll
You
be
break
fine.
them up with a spoon?
They'll be fine.
Okay.
The meat will shrink as it cooks.
So the liquid will...
And the liquid from the meat will fill up the pot. And,
This will all be in that liquid and it will
Yep.
flavor all the meat.
yep, you just push
So,
it
yeah,
down
don't-
in there.
Don't be too surprised if it doesn't all go down in there. It will by the time it's done.
Yeah. You can lift it up. Okay, and then we'll put the lid on it and we'll set it for, I'm going to set it for 60 minutes
And check it.
and check it. It smells good already.
We'll be back then.
Okay, we're gonna open it up and put it over here. Because everything's all nice and tender. You get a piece of meat up here. Put it over here so you can see it.
Okay.
And look at that falling apart.
Looks pretty amazing. You want me to take a picture of you eating it? Oh. Okay.
Oh, good.
And hot.
Yep.
Okay, so what are we having tonight? Carnitas,
Yep.
tacos, or
Well, you can call them carnitas, you can call them tacos.
tamale pie?
We're having tacos.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Okay, we got it all shredded up. And boy, I tell you, it is some good smelling stuff. And, well, here's a piece here that's not real shredded. I can show you. You just take 2 forks and come in here and just kind of break it up. And I took the chilies out and I put them in my food processor. And I ran it till it's with a little bit of liquid because...
The liquid that was in it. Yeah, show them with your finger with it. That's what you're looking for.
Yeah, it's like that
And then
in
we'll
there.
put that in with the meat, huh?
Yeah, well, I'll mix it with some of the liquid. I had put too much in there, so I had some liquid in here, but I should have had a spoon.
I've got one over there.
Yeah, that was...
Over a spatula.
Yeah, I'll use this spoon here. And then because this has the seeds and all in it,
Yeah.
it's kind of a paste. I'm going to run it through my strainer here.
Get any of the real...
Any seeds or
Any bits of the
skin.
skin or anything like that. Yeah, separate it out.
I mean, it is pasty. It's good enchilada sauce.
Well, you make it a separate sauce, or you making it to mix into the meat?
Ah, mix some of it in with some meat. Then you just stir it and keep stirring it till you get it going through there.
You've already got too much in there. It's not going through. It's touching it.
Yeah, I probably should have used a bigger bowl, but I have plenty more liquid in my pot here, which I will start pouring it into here and thinning it out and making it go through. Yeah, I should have.
Which bowl do you want?
This one would have been perfect. But
That size there? Okay, I'll get you one of the solid bowls out of the back.
okay, yeah. Thank you. Then we just keep pressing it through. I mean, you don't want to throw those chilies away, man. That's where you get all your flavor.
There you go.
I just move this aside.
I need to take the food processor too.
Yeah, it would be how.
You're done with it, right?
Yeah. Let me unplug it.
Okay. I'll put this up and I'll wash it down.
Yeah, I made quite a mess on it. I was wiping it up as good, but you know. Then I'm gonna
Not too bad.
pour some of this liquid in there. Kind of thin it out and run it through.
Okay, you want to come back when you're done with that? I'm sure they get the idea.
Yeah, I'll come back when I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got it all ran through here, all the liquid from the pork. And there's chili seeds. There's some garlic bits in there and just all kinds of stuff. Me and my mess. There. Okay. Now I'll just take it. Make sure I get all of that. And then I did it.
Yeah, I'm making a mess now. That's why you give it to me, so I make the mess instead of you, huh?
Give me that cloth in here.
Get rinsed out.
I'll put this over there. Okay, and here's what the sauce looks like. There's little bits of meat in there from.
Well, it's going in the meat anyhow, right?
Yes, I dropped some.
So with this
meat in
sauce,
there.
you can either mix it with the meat if you're going to have a like taco or something.
Yep.
You could also set it aside and use it in enchiladas and just dip your tortillas in it and wrap your meat and cheese and whatever you're going to put in your enchiladas.
It's a lot like it's like when I do my enchilada sauce. It's the same process. The only difference is I cook the meat in this juice here. And I think it's...
If you like a chili sauce, it's awesome.
Yeah.
It really is. Alrighty, I think that finishes it up. It'll be up to the person watching what they do with it. What are you going to do with it? Just curious.
I'm going to make tacos tonight, and we can make tamales with
Are
them.
you going to mix it with the meat then, or part of it with it?
I'm going to mix some of it with the meat. And...
set some back for something else? Okay.
Yep.
Alrighty.
And boy, is it good.
Thanks for
Thank
watching.
you.